Hi everyone, this is AJ and welcome back to Askprob blog. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to create a signature in Outlook and set up them for your default email signature. So without wasting more time, let's start this video. To create an email signature, first of all, you need to open your browser. In my case, I like to use Google Chrome, so that's why I am going to open a Google Chrome, but if you are liking any other browser, you can use that browser. And once you will open your browser, you need to go to the outlook.com website, and here you need to click on the sign in button. After hitting the sign in button, you will reach to the Outlook login page. Here you need to enter your email address and then enter your password. Once you will reach to the Outlook mailbox, here you need to click on the settings icon which is available at the top right corner of your mailbox, like here you can see, and then you will reach to the Outlook settings page. In this page, you need to click on the compose and reply option. Once you will click on the compose and reply option, you will able to see email signature section. In this section, first of all, you need to give a name to your Outlook signature. This name could be anything. In my case, I am going to type it Outlook 1. In your case, you can type whatever name you want to keep it so that you can easily remember the signature. Now once you will type your Outlook signature name, it's a time to create your signature. So click on this box and then type your email signature here. In my case, I am going to type here my signature. Just like that, you can create your own signature, and if you want to customize the signature, you can simply do that by using these tools, or simply click on the text that you want to customize. Once you will create your signature, it's a time to save it. So you need to click on the save button, and after clicking on the save button, your Outlook will create an email signature for you. Once your email signature is created, it's a time to set up them as a default. So whenever you are composing any email, those signatures will be automatically added into your composed mail. To do that, you need to scroll down and then click on, and in the select default signature section, you need to select your default signature for the new message and for the reply forward message, and then click on the save button. That's it. You have now set up the default signature for the new message and replies forward as well. From now on, whenever you will compose a new message, your signature will be automatically added into your new message window, just like you can see here. So this was the video about how to create and set up the email signature on Outlook. I hope you have liked this video. If you really liked this video, please hit the like button and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube and other platforms. Thank you for watching this video. See you again.